Today's video is going to, no, you don't have to copy me. Today's video is going to be the first part of our pink plant project. Is that exciting? What we've got in front of us is a whole bunch of things that I've been collecting over the last month or so. We've got some little garden tools, Elisa size of course. I've also picked up some of these, which was £1. This is the cheapest I've seen them, so if you're looking for something like this, in Wilko it's £1 for 3 of these trays where you plant your seeds. And then I got a bunch of these, which were 25p, 75p and 50p. And these are all the different types of pink flowers that I could find. So these are what we're going to plant today. Do you want to hold some?
Yes.
Yes? Can you tell me which one's your favourite?
This one.
This one? That's very pretty, isn't it?
No, I like
You like that one?
it.
You like all of them? Okay, you have a look at those. We also have been collecting these. I don't know where the rest of them have gone. I'm sure I had about 5 or 6. But we've got 3 of them right now, and there's 2 on the radiator because we just ate 2 more ice lollies. Also have a baby under the table. Come here, you. We also picked up a bag of compost, which is £2 for this big bag from B&M. This you can get from Pound Stretcher for less than £1, I think, for about the same size. That's gorgeous. Then this we're not going to use today, but we bought some gardening gloves for when we're doing gardening outside, because what we're going to do is plant all of these into these trays. Not all of them, some of them, because if you look at the back it tells you when to plant them. So the ones with the red on we're going to plant because it says you can do it in February, March or April. So that is what we're going to do. The reason I'm doing this project is because it's a fun learning thing for me and Elisa. She'll love it because it's pink flowers. I also picked up a fork for myself for when we do outside work. So that is everything that we got. Is that exciting?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the first thing we're going to do is get all of the packets with the red on. Can you find all the ones with red on them and put them in a pile, okay? Does this have red on? Look. Does that have red? Yes. Does that have red on it? Yes. Yay! So we've got all of the ones that we can plant now. The reason we can plant them if they've got red on is because it says sow indoors. What we're going to do is we're going to put some compost into the trays, and then we're going to plant these lovely, lovely flowers, aren't we? Okay, do you want to help? This is going to be fun. I'm going to cut this in the middle so that it's kind of open there. Look, we've got mud. So, ooh, what colour is this one?
Hello.
Yeah, good job. And don't eat them, little man. What colour is this one?
Blue.
Blue. And what colour is this one? This is the pink one. These were from B&M for £2.99, by the way. They're so cute. We've got how many packets? Can you count them for me?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is perfect because we have 5 lolly sticks. So what we're going to do, is use a pink Sharpie to write the names of the flowers on each one, okay? So on this one we're going to copy this name. We've labelled all of our lollipop sticks. The next thing we're going to do is open this. So, do you want to take that paper off it? You want to hold on? Yay! What we're going to do next is take one out. I'm going to put the rest over there for now. We're going to fill all of the holes. So we're going to put some in. We're going to keep doing that, okay? Oh, let's make the hole a little bit bigger, shall we? A bit closer to you, okay? Let's move those for now. Don't need them yet. So put that there. There we go. This one. And this one. Boom. Ah. Whoa. Amazing. Good job. You didn't drop any. She's so good. She's so good. Yeah, perfect. That's fine. Good job. Well done, babe.
That's so amazing.
That's amazing. So lucky that you've done it so good. Right. Oh. No. Flatten out as much as we can. Just push it down slightly a little bit. Okay. Good job. So we've basically half filled every single one of these holes. We're also going to do 2 of the other ones, but we're going to do those off camera. But we're going to show you what we're going to do with them. So the first ones that we're going to do are these. We're going to open the packet. Are you ready? Okay, so they come in these little sachets like this. So let's read what it says on the back. You have to cover it with 1/2 centimetre of soil. So we're going to open these. This, do you know why I did that? So that they all fall to the bottom. And look at that, they look so interesting. So we've literally done a few in each of these 4. So what we're going to do is cut these. On top of the seeds, and this is our little tray. We're going to fold the little packet that it came in up, and we're going to stick it underneath it, so we've got it handy. So yes, this is our first little pot of flowers. Hopefully they'll come out nice. We need to water them, but we'll do that when they're all done. So you can go over there. So it's the next day now.
Baby had a good sleep.
Baby had a good sleep. When Elisa went to bed yesterday, I finished off planting the rest of the seeds. Also, we've put all of these little packets in a pile, and we're going to keep those safe. Can you hear my dinosaur? He's a dinosaur, isn't he? Yeah. Now what we're going to do, I saved the watering to do with Elisa. What we've done is we've put them in these metal trays. Yeah, and I've put cling film on them. I don't know whether the metal, the water will make them rust and then affect the plants. So I decided to put some cling film on the bottom so it doesn't mix. We're going to do a little bit of water. Right, I'm going to help you. So a teeny bit of water in each one. So that's probably enough. We actually need to buy a watering can, don't we? A nice sprinkly watering can. happy? Yeah? So that is the end of this video, guys. We're going to put these in the corner. I'll show you now. And they're going to stay there until they start growing. When they start growing, we're going to do another video about potting them in different plants. So thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
I say we'll see you in the next video.
See you next video.
Bye.
Bye.
You make it. You did such a good job, baby.